Hi, I am here to explain to you what the pieces of paper I sent you in your Exquisite Corpse packet, what they meant. So what you have is a copy like this that has the edge of the paper pushed in a little bit, because when I made the copies I learned that when you copy something on a copier, it puts a little margin around it, and I couldn't figure out how to make it not do that. So I just pushed the piece of Canson paper in a little bit so you would be able to see the whole thing. So there's the margin that's actually on the edge of the paper over here. This is what I copied to give you the other piece of paper that shows the outline of the body. Obviously it doesn't have to look exactly like this. Those first couple of photos that I attached to the first email about this are examples, and there are many others out there, but just to give you an idea of why I put the different markings where they are so that the pages will match up once they're cut. So the way I did this is measuring from the outsides in. This 3 7/8 is a difficult measurement to work with as far as splitting things in half. So what you need to do is start on the outside and measure in, and this 1 11/16 is not a very convenient measurement to try to do, but it's pretty close to 1 3/4. So if you can just do that and then back it off a smidge on both sides, and then get a space here that's a 1/2 inch. I know I wrote on the paper 1/4 inch, but it's supposed to be a 1/2 there, which I think is pretty self-explanatory that I didn't really mean 1/4 inch. Sorry about that. And then down here, again, you're going to measure from the edges in. So this 5/8 and then 1/4 inch. And then there's just an 1/8 inch here in between the arm space, which is the 1/4 inch, and the body. And I didn't even measure the body space because we don't need to. Just don't even worry about it. It's probably a weird number. So again, over here, you're going to take this 1 inch of space that you have and split it up into 5/8, 1/4, which is 2/8, so that's 7/8, and then what's left is your 1/8. So hopefully that's pretty easy. And then this one down here is really easy because you've got 1.5 inches on each side that you're coming in from the edge and splitting that in half, so you have 3/4 and then 3/4 for the leg. Don't worry about what the center space is, and then the same on the other side. So hopefully that all makes sense and you don't have any problems with it, but if you do, let me know and we'll figure it out. As I said in my email, don't cut these lines here. That's going to happen at the printer. And what else? If you want to erase the lines that I put on there, you can. If you don't want to, that's fine. I will do it. I know what kind of pencil I used. I know what kind of eraser will work. So if you want to just let me do that, I'm fine with that. As I said about the Canson paper, if you want to use the other side, that's not the one I marked, you can mark it yourself if you are feeling adventurous. If you want me to send you another piece that's marked on the correct side, or just another blank piece or anything to make that work for you, just let me know. Other than that, I think that covers it. If you need to get in touch with me, my phone number is 207-838-0497. I'm not that great with voicemails, but you can text me or email me and I'll get right back to you. And I'm really psyched about this. I'm glad you guys have been so patient with me. I think this is going to be a really fun project to get us through the end of this long cold winter and into some more spring type weather, and some better times. So thank you for listening, and looking forward to seeing what you send me. Bye.